Hi guys, awesome that you've tuned in. Today I'm sharing a very cool and interesting watch. This is today my beautiful Omega Speedmaster Professional. This watch especially means a lot to me. I mean, alone the rich history that this watch has, and of course the iconic design of it is unbelievable. I really enjoy wearing that watch on all kind of activities, be it of a sport activity or even like today, hiking in the nature. And let me know. Write it down in the comments below. Do you also think that this Omega Speedmaster is perfectly blending into the nature? Just let me know. And if you liked that video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I'm gonna see us in the next video. Bye guys.